Now in this video I'm going to show you how to delete DNS from your Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1 and Windows 10 computers. First you want to go to Start and click CMD. Then type ipconfig/+DNS. That's it. It'll show successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. As you can see, this is how we can do. It's a simple process. And if you want to delete the DNS of your computer, you can do it with this simple trick. So that's all guys. I'll talk to you in my next video. Subscribe if you like to watch more videos like this. Have a nice day guys.